If you like to draw unusual animals, then you might be interested in this tree frog lesson. With their large eyes, big feet, and really bright colors, they can make for a pretty fun drawing. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. My favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The supplies needed to make this project are just a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, black marker, and a few crayons. You may also find a link to a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. Now, I like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper. They're also on all of my tutorials too. Another option is to just fold your paper in half in both directions, and you'll have some creased lines to follow. Let's begin by making marks to plan the head. The top is here, and the sides are this wide, and it's going to end at these two dots. Start on one side and draw up and connect the dots going up to the top and then down to the other side to make this kind of sideways C shape. The attached belly shape is going to start here, be about this wide, and end over here on the head. Once you have those marks, then connect them all with one long curved line like this. The tree frog's mouth is just one long line that does swerve up a little bit in the middle. Two small circles are added above the mouth. These are the nostrils. The frog's left eye is an oval that's almost on top of his head, and it's going to be this tall and wide. Connect those marks, erase the line inside, and then draw a smaller oval inside that when you're done. This eye now needs to get connected to the head with a curved line here. That right eye is drawn the same way. It's off a little more to the side, should be the same height as the other eye, and also gets a smaller oval inside when you're done. Afterwards, that eye gets connected to the head with a curved line too. Okay, on to the arms. The one on the left starts here and is made of two lines that curve a little like this. Then a hand with three large fingers is added at the bottom, and the inside line gets erased, so it looks like the hand is in front of the body. The hand on the right side is pretty much the same, with three large fingers added here too. The back leg now begins with a large U shape that's tilted a bit like this. That back line continues, and then a foot is added with three fingers. These can be just a little bit smaller than the others because they're a bit further away. And then don't forget to erase that line inside. Now we can add a large tree branch by adding these lines behind the frog and below, and then off to the side. Okay, this tree frog drawing is done. So it's time to get out that black marker and start tracing those lines so we can see them really well. When the tracing is done, take your eraser and clean up any pencil lines that might still be showing. I'm going to use that black marker again to fill in the inside of the eyes and those nostrils. Now, with the yellow-green crayon, draw a belly line like this and start filling in your tree frog. Just be sure to end that green coloring here because the feet are going to be a different color. I used a dark orange crayon to color in those feet and the same dark orange for those eyes. I'm going to color the tree a dark brown so there's some contrast with the frog. And then some blue for the sky. You can decide if you like the blue or the green that's shown on the left. So that is how you can draw a tree frog and make it really look like one of these exotic creatures. When you visit my website, you can find more animal tutorials, including one for a shark and a whale. Over the years, I'm happy to say my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you are watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification when I post a new video.